All right, everyone. Mike, Rocky Ridge Kennel and Loft. I'm out here with my 4 shepherds. We're watching the roller pigeons. I got 4 beautiful roller pigeons up there. They're real champs. That's from my selective breeding. They're just starting to roll. Yeah, they've been up for about 20 minutes already. It's after sunset. I really enjoy watching them after sunset because you can see them so well. You don't have to squint and struggle with the sun. But this is their second time flying today, and doesn't get any better than this. I got the dogs on this side of the house. That way, when the birds come down, they won't bother them. They'll probably try to grab them otherwise, but anyway, they should be coming down pretty soon. It looks like they're getting lower now. But they're doing a great job. They're doing a lot of tail drops, and they're doing a lot of a lot more kidding, staying together tight. There's one in there that once in a while it acts like a tippler and just heads up for the atmosphere and just hangs out up there. But I think and I hope it's going to stop doing that because I really don't want to separate it from the kit. It's actually the nicest bird as far as temperament goes, but if it doesn't want to fly with the kit, then not too much I can do. But these guys are great. They just stay up overhead and entertain you. Everybody likes racing pigeons, and I do too. But when it comes to just pure enjoyment, and you know, roller pigeons are just awesome for that, and they're beautiful. The colors they come out with, you know, and they got such easygoing temperaments. Just very enjoyable to have. So I have 5 more that are going to be joining these. I've already got 2 in the kit box, but they're not flying yet. Tomorrow I'll have another 2, and then a few days after that I'll have 1 more. So pretty soon I'll have 9 flying, and that's going to be it's going to be nice. And then I have 4 more coming in about a month. But yeah, real nice, guys. Real nice. Roller pigeons are great. Yeah, all 4 are down now. I really didn't whistle train these this year. They know that when they come down, the food's in there, so. Bird, his father is his uncle, and his mother is his aunt. So basically they're the same bird. They're the same exact bloodline, no difference. And that's the same thing for that one there is that one's nest mate, believe it or not. So I got a pretty tight bloodline going. Well, let me get them. I tend to overfeed them a little bit. I've been having much better luck this year by keeping them full. They seem to fly so much better now. find that if I give them all the food that they want once a day, 24 hours later, no matter what, they're going to be hungry again. When they start standing around and leaving the little seeds, then I know that they had enough. So these are all the babies now, the five youngest ones. That's that fancy colored one that I showed on a previous video. That one turned out to be a grizzle. That's the youngest one right there. It's almost too young to leave the nest, but it's eating on its own. And this one here has a problem. It's hit the ground 3 times now, so I'm not sure what I'm going to do with that bird. It doesn't matter how high up it is, it rolls all the way down and can't control it, and it hits the ground. He got lucky a few times where he hit branches and things like that to slow him down, but I don't think his luck is going to hold out too much. Anyway, here's the young ones. I hope we don't have any. These are very closely related to that one that keeps rolling down, so I'm hoping I don't have any problems with with those. So this is what I do with the young ones, just to get them a chance to get out, have a look around. Today's a good day for it too, because it's not too sunny. So I'll leave them there for a couple hours, and that's going to help a lot. I can see just about everything in the whole place here. They've just eaten, and I got to put a little bit of water up there for them, and then probably set a timer for 2 hours. So this is a few days later. My 3 good rollers, they just came back from about a 25-minute flight, and so I opened up the doors and let all the young ones come out and explore a little bit. I did this last night for a little while, and let them hang around on top, get their, stretch their wings a little bit, and they're doing really well. That one that's still inside there is very young. It's about a week and a half younger than the other 4 babies that are out. So they're building up their confidence a little bit and having a good look around. You can see I got a blue bar right there, kind of a dirty blue bar. That one right there. The only one like it that I have. And the birds were rolling really good today. They're rolling down about 5 or 6 feet now. So they're coming along really well. I love watching the young ones when they first come out. They're so clumsy, but they're so curious about everything. It's fun to watch. As long as things go well, I'll let them stay out here for maybe an hour and call everybody in to eat. Really don't want them to fly today. It's a real cloudy, overcast day, and the wind's been kicking up once in a while. Yeah, they're doing good. Can't ask for much better. Thinking about taking that baby there and setting it on the roof. All right, well, thanks for watching, everyone. Please subscribe to the channel, and we'll keep it going and keep it growing.